It's a fucking condom, boys. Woo! Back in action. We back in the action, boys. Starting out this little vlog style type thing a little bit more. What the fuck?
You gotta see this.
Yeah. Sorry. Anyway, we're gonna start off this vlog style thing a little bit because one, it helps get to 10 minutes, and two, it's a little more personal for you. Bars. Panda, we vlogging. Say hi. Say hi, Panda. Oh, she's back in action, back in the action. Do not eat the cat shit. That is disgusting. Stop. Jesus, why I grabbed my hand? Oh my god! I find it a lot easier to just get all hyped up with y'all on the vlog because I don't have to like perform in front of a camera for 10 minutes sitting here in my room. Notification squad, where you at? That's the kind of coffee we're making today. I just got this like instant coffee shit, which is absolutely shitty. And we sipping on Selena Gomez shit, actually, which is crazy that I'd still be into that. Anyway, man, on to the shit that matters for a second. Alright, so I've been wanting to introduce this new segment to you guys on the channel when we're doing some vlog style type videos. I'm really into it. Want to hear what you guys say down below, though. Yeah, you had diarrhea last night, didn't you, baby? And I'd still anal that. So this is a little segment I wanted to start to try to get you guys involved a little bit more personally on the channel with a shout-out type style. So y'all know I got Instagram. It's right there, motherfuckers. Now I want to start reading out some messages that you guys sent to me each video and responding to you guys on camera, giving y'all a little shout-out. We'll make it fun, too. Now, I'm never going to read out hate comments because that's a very big way for YouTubers to get a bunch of fucking hate comments so people get responses back. However, this is the first one. I read this piece of shit's message the other day, and it pissed me off a little bit. Therefore, I'm gonna roast you on fucking YouTube, you dumbass retard. Sorry, mom. So, once again, never gonna do hate comments, but this one got to me because the other day I was sitting down trying to have a few beers with the boys, and I got this message, and I'm like, bruh, you're actually just the biggest asshole ever. Why send this to me? So this comes up from Ben Lee. You know what? We're gonna post this picture right here. The dude looks like an absolute cuck, and I just want you guys to know about him because he fucking sucks. First off, let me mention he's one of those bitches that has his age in his fucking Instagram bio. It's kind of weird to me. Do y'all do that? I don't get it. Oh, I'm 18, motherfucker. Fuck you, Ben. So let me read it to y'all like this. This is how it states. You've got to be the worst YouTuber I've ever seen, comma. I like that. That's nice. Your sentences actually work. Worst fucking clickbait. Fair. Very fucking fair. The only thing I'm mad at so far is you're calling me the worst fucking YouTuber, which is very out of line. You know what I'm saying? Fuck you for that. Acts like you own real shit when it's all fucking fake. Bruh, it's all fucking fake. If I own it and it's real, I'm flaunting about it. But if it's fake, I'm gonna let you guys know. So fuck you on that. Then he goes to say you're a shit cunt, stop being a cocksucker to everyone. Hey, I don't know what the hey comes from, but I guess he forgot to say hey at the beginning of his message, so may as well add at the end. Listen up, Ben, let me reply to you, you fucking bitch. Hey man, just read your message, dick face loser, ... The way that you came at me verbally was disrespectful and unkind. For that, off with your head. Cap lock, bitch. I'm sitting here drinking Selena Gomez shit, and what are you doing, ho? Well, what's bad? What's he probably doing at home? Probably fucking your cat, bitch.
A few moments later.
Alright, I'm done. Let's read it out. You guys let me know how this turned out. Because I don't like people calling me things that I don't deserve. You know what I'm saying? Here's the message. Hey man, just read your message, dick face loser. The way that you came at me verbally was disrespectful and unkind. For that, off with your head, bitch. I'm sitting here drinking Selena Gomez shit. And what you doing, ho? Probably fucking your cat, bitch. I hope one day you realize you have a small penis and mine is bigger, cocksucker. Anyways, cocksucker, enjoy your life, you small-headed beaver kicker. Now, I'm not sure what a beaver kicker is, but it sounded funny. Anyway, we sent it, and by the end of the video, if we get a response from this little twig dick, then we'll read it out to you. There's a segment for today. We're gonna do this more often than not, and if you guys wanna, you know, get in this, then send me some good messages, and I'll reply to y'all, and sometimes I might do the hate ones too. Anyway, there's the bullying segment with NameBran. Now onto the video. Back in the action, we're back in the action with another mystery unboxing video. It ain't a mystery to me, but it's a mystery to y'all, so we call it a mystery unboxing. For more views on YouTube, of course. Strategy. So y'all been asking me for a long time now to do an unboxing from the company or website, whatever the fuck they call it, Wish. Now, I tried to stay away from this website, one, because we all know it's fake shit they sell on there, and two, there's no element of surprise, you know what I mean? If we know it's fake, then what the fuck do we give a shit about? And then I had an idea. I'm like, bro, why don't we just do a $10 challenge, see what the most most hype shit is we can get for $10. Something you can all afford. So that's what we did. But hey, of course y'all know the NameBran fam's real strong. We're marking the game the greatest of all time. Y'all the motherfucking goats. If you guys want more unboxings from this website, we can do it. If you guys don't want more unboxings from this website, leave a dick pic down below. Just kidding, don't do that. But tits are totally welcome. Panda, stop eating the shit in there. Hey, god damn that dog. Without further ado though, boys, I'm really stoked for this because this is an item we're actually going to use for a custom on some Yeezys later on. You guys let me know what you really want to see. We got one question to hand, NameBran. How in the mother of dick you about to open up that package, you puss? Oh shit, I forgot my roommate's home. Fuck, she must think I'm retarded. It's an ongoing joke if you guys don't know. My roommate has no idea I make YouTube videos. She comes upstairs, she's like, why are you yelling? I'm like, I make videos for my friends. Alright, so here we go, boy. And I already ripped the packaging. Fuck! So I spent, once again, $10 American on this. And I'm kind of stoked to see how it turned out. This is a Supreme item. Leave a comment down below what you think it is. We're giving out a t-shirt. Maybe. I don't know. So let me, shit! So let me start off by saying, I have seen the real deal of these, because there are real ones out there. And I've seen the fakes. We're gonna see how fake these actually are, or how good they are, bro. And we got the Supreme slides right here. So, oh wow. The quality on these actually are not bad at all. They actually got some fucking felt lining, bro. Look at that. What would Tony say? They got panther pussy in this bitch. I love that, man. Oh, this ain't bad, bro. So $10, we got the Supreme slides. Not the craziest video ever, which is why I kind of wanted to vlog through this one. You guys know we're probably gonna make like a Supreme slide Yeezy custom or something like that. You guys let me know down below what you think about that. But I was really curious to see what a knockoff Supreme item would be like for 10 bucks on Wish. And honestly, bro, these aren't bad at all. I've seen a lot of fakes, and a lot of the fakes are just plastic upper. Can't remember if the real ones are plastic or not. I don't know. Anyway, we got like suede on the inside. We got Supreme right here. What the fuck? Supreme. What the fuck is this? It doesn't even go together and say Supreme. That's fucking weird. S-U-P-R-E-P-R-E-M-E. What the fuck? Y'all in China don't know how to spell, do you? I guess if you put it together, it makes sense. If you do this, and it just makes some fucking weird word. Supreme of me. Dope. So anyway, that's our pickup for today. We got the Supreme slides. Once again, let me know down below if you guys want to see a custom with these. It's fake. The Yeezys that we're going to use are real. I think some Yeezy Supreme slides could be really dope, though. Going up the details, though, man. We got Supreme right here, got all that. That's really all you need to see. I got them in a size 9 US. What the fuck did I do that for? Bruh, I'm a size 11. Shit! Oh. Anyway, there's a pickup for today. The Supreme slide off the website Wish. You guys let me know if you've ever bought anything from Wish or want me to keep buying shit from Wish. I don't really like the app, but I wanted to try it out with a little $10 unboxing. These things are kind of fly though, and we about to make something out of them real soon. Appreciate y'all for this segment of the video. Now let's see if that little pussy ass bitch replied to me on Instagram. Wow. Panda, come finish this vlog with me, girl. Come here, girl. Come. Oh my god. Dope. Alright. So we got 2 minutes left in this vlog. I gotta end this off because I gotta go to the gym. I gotta edit this up and put out another video for tomorrow. Let me know once again though, guys, if you guys do dig this vlog style. I fucking enjoy it. I just love doing, like, this has been my full day. I know I didn't show a lot, but I've literally vlogged throughout the day. A bunch of those clips are like an hour apart. It makes it a lot easier and a lot more chill. I'm just like more fucking energetic in between each clip. So I appreciate that. If you guys dig the vlogs, leave a comment down below for sure. Now let's check if this little bitch fucking responded to me, eh? Alrighty, so once again, if you guys dig the coming back to people on Instagrams, we could also do that. Also, while I'm checking to see if you responded, we have a dope video coming out tomorrow. You guys know where we do like the merch versus merch, you know what I'm saying? Like two YouTubers put them together, see whose merch is shittier. We got Blazendary and B-Sneak, what's his fucking name? Blake Linder, going head to head tomorrow. That one's gonna be fucking fresh, because honestly, I don't hold back, and I'm gonna call out both these motherfuckers. Damn it, fuck! Okay, so this dude did not reply. However, I think he'll probably reply tonight. We'll see. If he replies, I'll show you guys that response tomorrow. Once again, man, appreciate y'all for rocking with me. We're gonna keep putting out vlogs. It's been kind of like on and off lately because I got a lot of other shit that I'm doing with this channel besides just making the videos. I'm really trying to make shit happen. We got a lot of merch coming out. We're gonna be looking at maybe a collab with one of your favorite YouTubers. Let's just say we might be winning on that one. Oh, spoiler alert. Appreciate y'all for watching now. Let's let this drag out with a little black screen at the end. Click every ad so we get more money. NameBran signing out. Blah.